Hi, welcome back. Let's talk about the best tips and tricks to fix Instagram camera not working on iPhone. Is the Instagram camera not working on your iPhone, or does the app show a black screen whenever you try to take a photo or record a video? Well, the issue can be rather frustrating, especially when you want to quickly capture and share a story or a post. In some cases, Instagram may not have the required camera permission, while temporary app glitches, outdated software, or privacy settings, or corrupted app data can also prevent the camera from functioning properly. Fortunately, there are some pretty reliable solutions that can help you resolve the problem and restore the Instagram camera back to life. That's it. Let's get started. So first you have to head over to the App Store on your device and then hit your profile picture located at the top right. Then you have to choose App Updates option. After that, you have to scroll down a bit to find Instagram and hit the update button located right next to it. Then you have to navigate to the Settings app and scroll down a bit and choose Privacy and Security. After that, you have to find Camera and select it. Then you have to disable the toggle located right next to Instagram. After that, you have to restart your iPhone. And once your iPhone has successfully rebooted, go back to the same camera settings and re-enable the toggle for Instagram. After that, you have to launch the app and open its camera to check whether or not you have managed to fix the problem. In most cases, the camera should start working properly. However, if the problem still persists, I will recommend you update the software because I suspect that a software bug is causing the problem and preventing the camera from functioning properly. To do so, head over to the Settings app on your iPhone and then choose General. After that, you have to choose Software Update, and then you have to check for the latest update and install it just like any other update. And that's about it. So these are the best tips and tricks through which you'll be able to fix Instagram camera not working on iPhone. Hopefully, you have managed to get a better of the problem, and now the beloved camera has started to work like a charm. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and to subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you in the next one.